guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, I don't know if this is going to be a continuance of the previous vlog or a new vlog, but welcome back. Today is Halloween, and this is what we wore today to work. Just a simple skeleton little outfit. Y'all still dressed up for Halloween? Y'all still go trick-or-treating with the kiddos? We already did the Halloween festivities last weekend. So if you have not already watched, go back to the next video, the previous video, or the beginning of this video. I don't know when I'm going to insert it, but I do have a family vlog coming out. So click off and go watch that video, which was a lot of fun. And we are just going to relax. We're not doing no trick-or-treating today. We got plenty of candy left over. We ain't got to go running from house to house to the store to store. We ain't doing this shit. I'm about to get in the shower, relax for the day with my KFC bowl. Y'all remember the KFC chicken bowls with the little mashed potatoes, corn chicken, the gravy, and the corn? That's what we have for dinner tonight. And then depending on if we don't go to sleep and I ain't want a little snack, maybe we'll pop a little popcorn, a little candy, or a little cookie, or a little snack or two. We always want a little snack. So what y'all watch around Halloween time? Now, I'm not into scary movies at all. Your girl can do just a little bit of suspense, not a whole lot. So I normally gravitate to Twitches, you know, the old Disney movie with Tia and Tamara. When you get into like Freddy vs. Jason, baby, we not watching that. Even at this big age, we still not watching it. I'll pass. Comment below if you celebrate Halloween this year, and if you did, what costume did you wear?
This is my husband.
I'm Chance, what's up?
And today we have special guests. I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hello, I am Emma Carnelis.
That's all you gonna say?